So what is Azure App Service? I guess it could be simply and crudely described as a cloud-based web hosting service. But if you've had any experience with hosting a website at a traditional internet service provider, you'll soon realize it's so much more. In a traditional hosting scenario that is analogous to hosting on a virtual machine, you get the machine that is loaded with a web server, and that's pretty much it. You need to figure out how to get your code onto the server, whether that is by FTP or file copy, and for it to be correctly served up. Any logging over and above web server logs, you'll need to implement yourself. You'll have to set up any associated database servers and their connections. If your web app receives more traffic than expected and you need to upgrade the server, then you'll have to redeploy to a new environment with more capacity. This is a headache and at the very least can result in unwanted downtime. Azure App Service's difference is in the name. It's all about serving your app, freeing you from thinking about all the associated infrastructure and support services. Creating a web app through the Azure portal requires you to give your app a unique name and select a handful of parameters, and then a placeholder app is up and running for you to customize. You can configure App Service to allow your app to access more compute services as required, so when traffic and load increases, performance won't decrease. App Service benefits from Azure's and Microsoft's considerable ecosystem, allowing you to integrate your app with Azure SQL, Azure DevOps, and easily deploy your app from your development environment. You can choose a vanilla deployment, deploy to a staging environment, or use Docker container technology. Which framework and programming language you use to build your web app have important implications on how your production environment is configured. Interpreted or scripted languages such as PHP, Python, JavaScript, and Ruby need completely different web server setups than compiled libraries like .NET. While .NET Core apps can run on Linux, standard .NET apps need Windows. Azure App Service supports a wide range of languages and frameworks on both Windows and Linux operating systems. Here are some of the features that are available to use with your web app. Authentication and authorization. You can utilize third-party authentication providers such as Facebook, Google, and of course Microsoft and Active Directory. You can also authenticate a web app client with an API backend using Azure Active Directory. Application Insights provides an abundance of metrics about your app's usage and performance. Configure backups of your app and its data. Set up a custom domain that is something other than the default .azurewebsites.net. Toggle TLS and SSL settings and use security certificates. Use network configuration to restrict access to your app, make your app more secure, or access on-premise resources. Scale resources available to your app based on pricing tier and app metrics. Web Jobs allows you to run background jobs or processes based on triggers or schedules, or can be manually instigated. Push notifications to mobile clients. Set up alerts so that you are notified by email if your app reaches a predetermined value, like more than one HTTP 500 error in an hour.